Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Upgrading the RAM in your HP 15-0031NS can significantly enhance its performance. Let's get started with this step-by-step guide. First, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. Make sure to gather these items before you begin. Once you have your tools ready, power off the laptop and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure there's no residual power. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you out. Now, flip the laptop over to access the bottom panel. You will notice several screws that hold the panel in place. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. After removing the screws, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom panel. Be cautious and work your way around the edges to prevent any damage. Once the panel is off, you will see the internal components, including the RAM slots. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the internal area. Use compressed air to blow out any dust and debris. This not only helps with cooling but also ensures that your new RAM functions optimally. If you prefer to avoid the hassle of cleaning and upgrading yourself, don't forget we also offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it simple for you. Next, locate the RAM slots. Depending on your current configuration, you might see 1 or 2 slots available. If you are replacing old RAM, gently push down on the clips located on either side of the RAM module until it pops up at an angle. Carefully pull it out of the slot. To install the new RAM, take your new module and align it with the slot. Slide it in at a 30-degree angle, then press down until you hear a click. Make sure it's secure in place. If you're unsure about which RAM to purchase or need assistance, feel free to reach out for a quote before repair. Once the new RAM is installed, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the bottom panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tight, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the panel. After securing the panel, turn your laptop back over and connect it to the power source. Power it on and check if the new RAM is recognized by the system. You can do this by going to the system settings and checking the memory information. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully upgraded your HP 15-0031NS RAM. If you encounter any issues, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the assistance you need without any pressure. Now, enjoy your enhanced laptop performance. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.